TVI successful. Hands! Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
I got you.
Dude, get out on the ground. What the fuck?
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Hands
shit.
behind your back.
What's going on? Get on the ground.
Okay, I got it.
He's got a holster.
Check for the gun.
Gun?
I didn't find a gun.
It's right there.
Okay.
My girlfriend.
Alright, should we pat him down?
My girlfriend fucking shot at me, and I don't know what the fuck's going on.
You're on your arrest. TVI. On my patrol vehicle.
You want us being to be TVI? Yeah. Okay, alright. Over here. Come on. Take this off of me.
Yeah, we have highway safety.
Do you have any idea on how long?
Copy 1119.
Son. Stop.
What's that?
Open your back seat. Hey, sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Right now,
Take your shoes off. Lift up.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Okay, sit.
I got you.
Put your feet in. Let's clear that fire.
Okay, that's good.
It was loaded and chambered. Loaded and chambered.
Okay.
So I can clear you 2 years if you will. Years if you will.
Yeah.
So we currently have traffic blocked.
Copy 1120.
Okay. Tell them they own bait, you can send them through in the left lane.
So it sounds like we have multiple crashes.
Okay.
I witnessed him ram a blue car.
So intentional acts along.
Intentional act on that one. I don't know about the man's one.
All right, so we can get the information on all the victims, and it's up to you, because it was your pursuit if you want it, or it's an agency assist. It's an agency assist, basically, for a pursuit.
So it started with the crash.
Yeah.
That's the only reason we got involved.
In
It started
Tyler?
with the crash on Road 5. Something on Road 5.
Oh, fuck. So, he just stole the patrol car. Fuck.
Stole the CSP patrol car. I'm gonna stay with that.
Hey, sit in the car. Okay. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now? I don't know what the
Take your
fuck's
shoes
going
off. Lift up.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Break into that happy. It's not like we haven't seen them before. People's Credit Union in Lamar and Springfield, where we work for you. Member NCUA.
Have you tried Colorado Mills Black Gold Performance Equine for your horse yet? Hi, this is Kent Fuller with Colorado Mills. If you haven't tried this,
Otero County Mac, can you clear a firearm?
Enhance your horse's condition without making your horse hot and uncontrollable.
Hey, Vernon,
We'll
Turkey, go
fortify
ahead,
these
sir.
feet with the correct vitamins and minerals,
Serial number,
along with
Adam,
probiotic
Tom,
moss and probiotic to keep your horse's gut in tip-top shape. Come by the mill
1742.
in Lamar to get some Black Gold Performance Equine. Give us a call, 719-336-8452. Any questions that you might have. I have a question for you. Do you want to make some money? And potentially a lot of money? If your answer is yes, then KVAI
Sir,
would like
210-4,
to
I copy. Serial number, returning clear vote, no record.
connect with our account executive by providing training and lots of stuff. You'll learn how to perform a business interview. You'll learn how to develop an advertising campaign that will make that business successful. You can go on, but if you want to make a lot of money and help grow our
Suspect just stole CSP patrol car.
if you want to make a lot of money and help grow our
Suspect just stole CSP patrol car. He is eastbound highway to 350.
to success. All lines are open. Call now 336-8734.
10-4, I copy.
County Road stolen CSP patrol car. 250 is charged. It's Mike, you're going to be down.
Ohio notified Dane County we need stop stick shot for this vehicle. It has a marked patrol unit. Lights are activated.
One S1 on Otero County Mac. We're going to be trying to catch up to this vehicle.
C14, which direction is that?
We are eastbound 50 from Wahanta.
722.
I do not have eyes on him. There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board.
One S1 on Otero.
Copy 1123.
Where is he at?
Copy direct 1123. Three vehicles in
He's
pursuit.
gonna get wrecked.
He's got about a half a tank.
Well, then we got a half a tank of gas. Go ahead and have radio. Disable the radio, please. Disable the radio. It's R723.
Copy 1123.
Where's it at?
Oh, we'll try to attachment to 314 call, please.
Copy, go see it back.
Did he get off?
Give me a call back with their
I
location.
think they're going to let you go because they don't have near the speed. That thing will run.
I'm calling, try again.
Attachment to 214 call, please. Go ahead, westbound 150.
Get out of the way. Get stop sticks set out east of town, correction west of Los Angeles. I do not have visual on it.
There it is.
Actually, I do. It's probably passing
386.
the 385. 385 lights activated. High rate of speed. Get Benton County out there with stop sticks, and you get stop sticks set as well. Radio. A half a mile behind. Just passed into Benton County.
Down at 10-4.
I need as many sets of stop sticks set up as you can get.
Usually if I were eastbound, about the 425, we'll find a good spot. I notified Towers, they're going to set up as well. Okay, you get a hold of State Patrol and find out if this individual is armed, please.
He is not anymore. Well, they're my rifle.
The rifle is in the vehicle. He was not armed. The gun was left in the vehicle. Passing the 390. Speed's 123. About a tenth of a mile behind him. Find out where stop sticks are at.
Find the set up at the bridge. Stay right here. So stop where you're at, set up here. Set up here. 393. We'll be at the 393. Stop here. C4.
392. Speed's 100. He slowed down slightly. We're coming up on the curve at the 392, 393.
C14, Ben's forward, flag strips are going to be set up at the 394, 394.
Just past the 392. Speed's 99.
Make sure they're
He's
confirmed.
coming over the hill.
What's that?
They're right up there. Actually, no, I was just going to make sure they know that's my Charger.
Mark's Charger is the one that was stolen. I'm in the gray unmarked. Mark's Charger. He's driving down the middle of the lane. Get stop sticks out. As many sets as you can get.
Coming at you, Jay. First car.
Eastbound in the westbound lane. Eastbound in the westbound lane. 393. Coming up on stop sticks. He missed him. Continuing eastbound. Please get a set of stop sticks on this guy.
Speeds 115. Currently eastbound lane.
Copy 1140.
Have one of the vent units, one of the Chargers, take lead on this. We're running out on fuel.
One coming up right now, and I'll come up behind him.
Copy 1140.
Ben 5, Ben 4 on primary.
Did he get him?
Are you the lead vehicle? 10-9? Not yet. I will be. I'm living with money.
That's my car. They threw him in the back of my car. I had that last guy in there, and he must have crawled through the center window with my rifle in there. What's that? Am I taking this? Is that what she said? Nothing. You want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have vehicle. keys in it. Good sticks. We got a 10. You alright, Fred? You alright?
Just jarred me.
Try again.
Purple 7, where were sticks activated?
Buffalo check 5. He hit him at the 416. He hit the side of a semi.
Hit the side of a semi.
Copy.
Oh, shit.
Copy 1143.
He flips the semi. Is he still going? Negative. No, I would say go ahead and call it a frame.
I'll look, Charlie 3, I'm going to be on scene.
Where would you like me at?
Good, Pablo, Charlie 3, we got a vehicle on fire.
Firewall. 1.5 miles. Right here. Oh, right here, Jay.
We got any more fire extinguishers? Let's get them over here till we get fire.
Any bottles of water or anything that anybody's got in vehicles?
There's some in here. On this other side, though.
Dump it in there. Whatever you can get into. Man, fire or steel. The vehicle's down there even.
He's alive.
Hey.
Hey! Hey! Talk to me! Hey, Jay! Jay!
Oh, look, Charlie 3.
My truck in my tunnel.
He is, driver is conscious.
You're gonna have to start moving, dude. Yeah, I got a head injury. Your hands. What hurts? Give me your hands. In the very back! Hey, I need you to give me your hands, dude. I got it.
Here, want me to move that computer?
Yeah. Where are you hurt, dude? Unless you don't want to get out. I need somebody to keep this down cool. Keep it cool while I work on it.
Do we got anything?
Yes. We can get him out this way. We can pull him up through this. Start pulling.
Here, let me move that computer, Jay. That whole thing will swing out of the way. At least it would have.
Start pouring water on it. Hey, if I can get him to give me his hand.
I know. I can give him to you.
Okay, I'm just getting this computer out of the way. Just give me a second. The back ain't gonna fucking do it. Once we get this computer out of the way, you should be able to pull him out. Get it?
Alright.
Here, I'm pulling him out this way. Get in the firewall. See what it looks like from the inside in case you need something to shove up under your ass. Poke a hole in the cap with a knife, squirt up under the dash. Somebody with his legs. Clear out. He's good, he's clear. Who's got an extinguisher? Mark's got one. Somebody grab his legs. Give my bags, please.